In this video we show you step-by-step guide to perform the CBDC KYC. Prerequisites: download Ancoin Exchange and CBDC application's latest update from the following sites: https://www.ancoin.cc/ #download, https://www.cbdcwebs.com/. You can also find the application download links and refer code in the video description. Register an account at Ancoin Exchange application and log in. Click the Funds button and search the CBDC coin. Click CBDC coin and then click Deposit. Copy the CBDC deposit address. Please note that the network type is ANC1. KYC certification steps: bind the email ID in CBDC account settings. Enter your email ID and click Get Code. You will get a code in mailbox's primary or spam folder. Enter the code and confirm. Go to CBDC menu again and click KYC option. Type the basic user information, including name, mobile number and country area code. Paste the CBDC deposit wallet address of Ancoin Exchange in asset address field. After entering all details, click Submission and you will get a successful KYC completion message. Note: please complete the KYC certification before June 8, 2023, otherwise the CBDC you have locked will be destroyed.